What is going on, everyone? Alessandro here, and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, because we are still floating around $107,000, and Bitcoin, of course, has to decide right now if we're gonna have another little correction or if we're gonna see immediately new all-time highs. So welcome, everyone. Welcome on board into this channel, guys, and of course, thank you for your great support. As always, we are hitting almost 900 subscribers, guys, so make sure to be subscribed on this channel and check out all links in the video description, especially my other social media platforms over on X, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Make sure to be following me up everywhere. In some channels, I'm sharing all crypto stuff, of course, and also in some others I'm just sharing more private stuff, so that's why make sure to be subscribed everywhere, guys. And also next to Bitcoin, we're gonna have a look into some new coins that are upcoming, especially the Bitcoin Bull, which is launching in about 3 days. So make sure to check out the links in the video description also for this new BTC Bull token that will come out very soon. And meanwhile, of course, if you're trading Bitcoin and all the top-notch altcoins, you can do that on Maxi Global, Bybit, Fimex, and so on. You can see here different exchanges that I'm using. Those are, in my opinion, the best ones here in the crypto space. So sign up with my links to get extra deposit bonus when you put the first deposit, and of course also do the first trades. On all of those exchanges you have high liquidity, high security, and of course also low trading fees and so on. So welcome everyone on board. To make sure that you're trading the next upcoming moves, guys, because I think they will be huge here for Bitcoin. Most likely later today we're gonna see the prices move a bit, because also the stock market, everything is looking quite bullish, if I'm not wrong. Let me have a look here if we have already some pre-market data. But Nasdaq here also is nicely pushing to the upside. We had also this week a huge, nice green bullish engulfing candle here. And also here everything is still shifted to the upside. So here Nasdaq is also still pushing higher and higher. We are, of course, more towards the resistance than the support down here. So that means that here, of course, also we have to decide if we're gonna break out to the upside or if we roll over and see another retest of major support levels. So Nasdaq is on a very, very critical point right now. But based on the indicators, we have the chance here to blast through. And if that happens, I think we have very good chances that also Bitcoin will have here the chance to break out to the upside from this resistance trend line currently at $113, especially if we close this week above the previous closes here. So basically above $105,700, above this line here. Then I think that we have very good chances to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin over the next coming weeks and months. That doesn't mean that we gonna go straight towards new all-time highs. It is possible still that we're gonna have some pullbacks, but overall we should expect Bitcoin to go to much higher levels. Of course, we have some warning signs on the weekly and monthly time frame that we are on a critical point, but that's normal, especially if we're hitting such important resistance levels up here that we're getting exhausted a bit. And then of course we really have to decide if we should be breaking out to the upside or if Bitcoin should be breaking out to the upside or not. And in the 4-hour time frame, I told you guys that I took this trade here. All the indicators are coming down slowly, and you can see that also the price stopped basically to push here on and on to the upside. And right now we're seeing a retracement. It could be a bullish retracement before we had higher, that's for sure. But if we would fail, for example, to hold this support at $106,000 to $107,000 level in the 4-hour time frame, I'm expecting at least a retest of $105,000, maybe even $104,000. That's why I am still keeping up my short position. I just opened up here a short position right before we entered into this consolidation phase, and now really we have to wait and see what happens. I think that we still can get some wicks to the downside here, but as I told you guys, overall we are looking bullish. And we have the chance here to push higher. Also depending what the stock market is doing, of course. On the daily time frame, also this buy signal is basically playing out. Money flow is increasing. RSI back above the 50 level. So also here on the daily time frame, I'm seeing a nice uptrend. Currently, this could be a big trend reversal here after being basically in a downtrend, of course, because we have right now a nice push to the upside, and of course we are having now daily closes above the 20 daily moving average and also the median line of the candle channels, all lining up here at around $106,000. As long as we have daily closes above, we still have the chance to go a bit higher and maybe even take out this high over here. I would be very bullish here as soon as we have daily closes above 110k, because then we would start here an uptrend and leave this downtrend that we created basically in the last couple of weeks. So we are in a very critical point also here on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, as I told you as well. So this is basically kind of the decision point for Bitcoin, if we're gonna see new all-time highs and straight away basically a parabolic bull run continuation towards new all-time highs, or if first we are coming down to retest important support levels. Also here, for example, this resistance trend line, now new support at around 100k, or here the 200 daily moving average at $96,000. Those are all important support levels for Bitcoin if we would see the worst case. That means rejection up here and continuation to the downside. We have also the 20 weekly here at 95k. We have the 50 weekly at 85k. So everything is down here. A lot of support down here where Bitcoin, of course, could easily bounce again if we really see such a dip. I would take it as a good buy opportunity. Of course, no financial advice, just my own opinions, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my ideas and TA with you. And this is what I would do if we really see here a drop. Otherwise, just keep accumulating, just keep DCAing into Bitcoin, and yeah, this is at least my strategy. And if we go over into the monthly time frame here, of course, I'm waiting for the monthly close above the top side of the Kelton channels, currently at 110k. It would be, of course, very bullish if this month we would close above the top side of the Kelton channels, because then we should expect those parabolic bull run phases for Bitcoin here, like we had in 2020, for example, or here overall 2016 and 17. All the time we had those monthly closes above the top side of the Kelton channels, and this is when Bitcoin is really going parabolic to the upside. It still can happen, but we are still on the waiting line. Basically, we're just waiting here until Bitcoin is making a move, because if here we're getting rejected, as long as Bitcoin has it has basically monthly closes below the top side of the Kelton channels, at some point we can get rejected quite heavily and enter maybe even into a bear market or prolonged corrective phase. Let's call it that way, guys. We will see. But anyway, I think that most likely gonna close my short very soon as I'm seeing some bullish signals here, or the stock market is opening up bullish. But for now, this sell signal is still in play if you're doing scalp trading, especially if you're using my indicators. Otherwise, yeah, just maybe wait until we get confirmation here, because as soon as we have a 4-hour close above $108,000, I think the continuation to the upside will start. As soon as we have 4-hour closes below $107,000 to $106,000, then we definitely are in here for a corrective phase in the next coming hours, maybe even days. We will see. And very interesting to see will be this new coin that is coming up, guys, this Bitcoin Bull. This one is currently ranked number 3 in one of the most hyped new upcoming Bitcoin meme coins, and also Bitcoin airdrops systems, basically. And you can check it out with the links here in the video description. BTC Bull meme coin, I'm gonna put it also at the top, because this new coin here is supposed to burn their own tokens the higher the Bitcoin price will go. They have also limited supply, as you can see. And this one will be launching in exactly 3 days. So the last chance to get on board into this one. As you can see, they're raising more and more funds every day. Every day I'm checking it out, and you see the funds going higher and higher. Now it's at 7.5 million, which is of course great. And it is good to see a hype around this coin as well. Also, there are different articles now talking about this new kind of amplifier for Bitcoin, because this one will burn more of the tokens the higher the Bitcoin price will go. And also they will be doing giveaways as well, or airdrops basically, into Bitcoin Bull tokens. And this is exactly now what I'm watching for. In 3 days this one is launching, and that's why I'm really curious what this coin will do. If you're buying, just click here buy with crypto, connect the wallet that you want. In my case it is MetaMask. I'm using here MetaMask. Oh, I have to log in, guys. Just a second, let me refresh the website, and then you see here the dashboard where you can buy with Ethereum or Tether if you want to stake. Otherwise with BNB also you can buy, but then no staking rewards. Anyway, they are very low, so I would definitely buy without staking right now. The price per coin is less than a cent, so that's why I bought a few thousands of them, as you can see here. And probably this one I'm gonna hold at least as long as I'm bullish for Bitcoin. As long as I'm expecting that Bitcoin will go higher, I'm keeping up with those coins, because in theory, they should go up in value as well if Bitcoin is also going up. So we will see what happens. But I'm in the game. I'm in here with Bitcoin Bull, guys. And if you also want to get on board, then make sure to be buying it right now before it is coming out in 3 days. And I'm gonna drop a tutorial video then as well, how to purchase this coin as well. And of course, we also have others that are upcoming, but there we don't have a launch date. Bitcoin Bull is currently the only one with a launch date. The other ones that have very high staking rewards are Bitcoin Hyper, then Snorter. You're gonna find them all here in the video description. And also this Wall Street Ponke. This is also a new Ponke meme coin. Remember, guys, when Ponke came out, there was also very big hype, similar to Pepe. And let's see if this one also is going to be a great one to watch out for. The community is still small, but they are rising and rising every day. Also here on their X account or Telegram account, you can follow them. But the cool feature about this one is really that you can buy right now and stake it for 1100%. So here, same story. When you connect your wallet like Coinbase or MetaMask, you can see that then you can buy with staking here 1145% staking rewards, because not so many people jumped on board here. The raise funds are going higher slowly, and that's actually good, because like that you can buy and stake more coins. You can see that I have 130,000 coins as a reward, and my stake balance is lower than that because I bought in very early. The staking rewards are still high, and like that, of course, you can accumulate more and more coins. You can do the same thing as well with Wall Street Ponke and also with others like Bitcoin Hyper, that is currently also with 500%, one of the best ones with the highest staking rewards. Otherwise, if you're buying into Bitcoin Bull, I would definitely buy without staking, so you have no lockup period on your coins, and also no, anyway, you don't get so much rewards with 54%. If you want to check them out, guys, links in the video description. That's it for now. Of course, no promises, nothing, guys, no financial advice. This is just my own opinions. I'm sharing everything that I'm also buying with you guys, not only the top-notch tier 1 altcoins that everyone is buying up anyway, like Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Doge, and so on. I'm also sharing all new upcoming coins that are worth to give it a try, guys, because you never know what happens as soon as they are launching. The complete list is in the video description, guys. Thank you for watching, and also for the XRP army out there, check out maybe this DXRP, the first decentralized exchange that will come out on XRP. The link is also here in the video description. Check it out, guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you all in the next one. Bye for now.